Are you blessed with a charming round face and eager to spruce it up with makeup? Just like you, I also sport a rounded face and often find myself wishing to accentuate my features and play down the plumpness around the jawline. It's absolutely normal to feel a tad bewildered when it comes to using makeup to highlight your round face. The beauty realm can indeed seem like a maze, particularly when most tutorials are designed keeping in mind other face shapes. But hey, here's the good news. We're all set to turn the tables. We're going to plunge into the fantastic world of makeup techniques tailor-made for round faces. Hold your breath as this video unfurls a comprehensive step-by-step guide to help you magically transform your round face with makeup. Get ready to fall in love with your face all over again. Understanding your face shape is a crucial first step. So why is it so important to know your face shape when it comes to makeup? Well, because makeup is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about highlighting your unique features and balancing proportions. Let's talk about round faces. What are the characteristics of a round face? Generally, a round face is about as wide as it is long, with no prominent corners or angles. The cheeks are usually the widest part of the face, giving it a soft and circular appearance. When applying makeup, these characteristics can be both a challenge and a blessing. On one hand, a round face can appear youthful and full of life. On the other hand, you might want to add some definition and structure. Knowing these characteristics will help you apply makeup that best suits your round face. So let's move on to some makeup must-haves for your round face in the next scene. There are some must-have makeup items for round faces. Let's start with contour. Contour is your best friend when it comes to defining your face's natural structure. It helps create the illusion of shadows, adding depth and dimension where you desire. For round faces, this can be particularly useful in creating a more angular look, especially around the cheekbones and jawline. Next, we have blush. But why blush? Well, blush adds a pop of color and life to your cheeks, making your face look vibrant and healthy. It also helps in giving your face a more oval appearance when applied correctly. Finally, let's talk about highlighter. Highlighter is the magic wand of makeup. It attracts light, making your features pop and giving your face a dewy, glowing finish. It's perfect for emphasizing your best features and adding that extra sparkle. With these makeup items, you can beautifully enhance your round face. Now it's time to dive into the step-by-step guide. Let's start with contouring, the magic trick to create illusions of shadows and depth on your face. For round faces, the goal is to elongate the face and make it appear more oval. Apply a cool-toned bronzer or a contour powder along the sides of your forehead, down to your temples, and under your cheekbones. Create a 3 shape on both sides of your face. This will help create a natural shadow, giving the illusion of a more defined and elongated face. Remember, blending is your best friend. You want to avoid any harsh lines. Next, we move on to blush. The right placement can lift your face, creating a more youthful and fresh look. For round faces, instead of applying blush on the apples of your cheeks, sweep it upwards along your cheekbones towards your temples. This placement not only lifts the face but also creates a subtle contour effect. Choose a blush color that complements your skin tone for a natural flush. Our final step is highlighting. This is where we bring forward and add radiance to certain areas of the face. Apply a highlighter on the high points of your face, the center of your forehead, down the bridge of your nose, on your cupid's bow, and on top of your cheekbones. For round faces, highlighting the center of your forehead and the bridge of your nose will help create an illusion of length. When it comes to placement and blending, always remember that less is more. Start with a small amount and build it up gradually. Use a fluffy brush for blending to ensure a seamless finish. The key is to create a subtle gradient between your contour, blush, and highlighter. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to applying makeup that enhances and celebrates the beauty of round faces. Remember, these are guidelines, not rules. Makeup is a personal expression, so feel free to adjust these tips to suit your style and comfort. With these steps, you can perfectly apply makeup that enhances your round face. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We started off by understanding your face shape, specifically focusing on the characteristics of a round face. We then moved on to discussing the makeup must-haves for round faces, highlighting the importance of contouring products, highlighting powders, and the right brushes. We also walked you through a step-by-step guide to applying makeup, specifically designed for round faces. Remember, makeup is about enhancing your natural beauty, so keep practicing these steps and you'll soon be a pro at applying makeup for your round face. As always, please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.